Meredith, welcome back to the show. It's nice to have you on again.
Thank you. Nice to be back. Thank you.
Why do you say, hey, point blank, the FDA made a big mistake?
I absolutely agree with what Matt said, that it is the enormous amounts of nicotine that are in that product that really concerns us. Nicotine and the developing brain do not mix. We have known that for a very long time. Developing lungs and nicotine do not mix. So we have kids who are developing very severe asthma, and this is coming out of the research. The research shows that kids who are vaping have a real severity of asthma. If they have asthma, it's going to get worse. The parents who reach out to us seeking rehab for kids whose lives have been falling apart because of their intense addiction, the kids who are athletes and can no longer walk a mile, these are the things that we worry about. There are millions of kids using these products. And the fact that FDA has authorized this product is not to say that they have approved this product. And for the average person, and certainly for the average teen, the very real difference between authorized and approved, they think it's safe. So that is something that we are even more concerned about. These are not approved products, they're authorized. There is a big difference.
Back to you, Dr. Siegel. I mean, what is your response to the concern that the U.S. has no definitive cap on the amount of nicotine allowed in these products, and the effect potentially that teens are going to start using these megadose nicotine products?
I agree that there is no reason why you need to have these megadoses of nicotine, and especially nicotine salts, because they're absorbed much more rapidly into the bloodstream, and they create an addiction potential that's much higher than when you just have free nicotine. So I think this needs to be regulated, but the way that you do this is by actually regulating the level of nicotine, and the FDA has not done that. The path that they've chosen instead is to pull the majority of these products off the market. They're pulling about 99% of the products off the market, and they're turning the market over to big tobacco. The only products that they're allowing are going to be the ones that big tobacco produces. And so this is not the way that you handle this type of issue. What you do is you directly regulate the product. And what's really makes no sense is that electronic cigarettes have to put an application into the FDA to be on the market, but Marlboros don't, Camels don't, Newports don't. The cigarettes, which are killing 400,000 people a year, don't have to put in an application. They get a free pass. Why aren't we talking about that? That is what's really killing people. E-cigarettes, although they can be addictive, we know that the harmful effects of e-cigarettes are not anywhere near what they are for tobacco.
I couldn't agree with you more, Dr. Siegel. I mean, it's just common sense that you're talking about a product. You have to regulate the dosing